Hi friend, this is Shakil Khan here from Al Nibla School, Kuwait. Today I will show you easy way to create student name questions in Google Form. Now you must be wondering why I'm showing you this. Let me explain. Many a time, I'm sure you may be giving an assignment of quiz to your student, which when they fill up the quiz and when you receive the responses in an Excel sheet, probably a Google sheet, you see that these are basically if you have enabled the name, the email address of the student, then you get only the email addresses. Many a time, these email addresses are just numbers because that's how they have been created. So then some people they say, yes, why don't we do one thing? We do it this way. They usually, let's say I have, for example, I have a student assignment. So you will say, okay, uh, full name, full name, and you will make it as a short answer, right? You will make it required, and this will be your first question in the quiz, and you will probably assign a 0 marks to this. But many at the time when you know that what is happening is that sometimes they are giving just a first name, sometimes they are only giving the last name, sometimes there could be many people with the same first name in your class. So now what will you do? Okay, there's a very simple way to do this. What you do this, instead of making this a short answer, you make this as a drop down list, right? And you should keep your names of the student ready. For instance, I'm teaching class 6 blue and 6 green, and here are the names. I will just simply copy from this spreadsheet and I will paste here. Okay, and I will make it required and I will go and filling up the whole form. And you will see how it looks like to the student. You see here, they can simply click on this and select the names. So it's very easy. There will be no spelling mistake. There will be no problem. And when they submit, you will get their full name. But again, I will show you the second method. Okay. What is the second method? Let me go back to this form and I will delete this. Okay. And I will create one student names for Google Form kind of a form. Okay. Here I will say 6 blue names. I'll make this as a drop down. Again, I'll make it required. I will come back to this sheet. I will copy all the names. I'll put it here. And remember, I told you I'm teaching two class. So now I will create one more question. I'll say 6 green names. And again, like previous, I'll make this as drop down. And now this time I will copy 6 green students' name over here. Now this is my template basically, and I will save this. I will again, let's see, I will give this template. Let me just see. It is a quiz. Let me make this as a quiz. Make this as a quiz, and save this, and give both of them as 0 points. And here also 0 points. And now I will save this for future use. Anytime I want to put up a name in my Google form, I'll choose this particular form to import the question from this. So I don't need this now. I'll close this. I'll come to my assignment. And in the assignment, the first question, what I will do, you see on this, I will not add a question, but I will select the second icon. It says import questions. It says import questions. I click on this. I will select the template Google form which I had created. This is the one. I'll click on this, and you see now it asks me to import which question. So this time I want to give assignment to 6 green students. So I will click this and I'll say import this question. and I will import the questions, the name of all the six blue students. Here, probably I might change this to choose your name, choose your name, and now you will see how it looks to the student when I give it to them. Look at this. Bravo. It's done. They will select this and they will submit the form. So as you can see, my friend, this becomes very easy. What with this, we minimize the error of the students giving us a wrong name or misspelled name. Now, if we have standardized a name, then you can do multiple things. We can do pivot tables based on all the answers we received, and many multiple things we can do on the Excel sheet. And yes, there's also a third method where we can put up a VLOOKUP to have all the email ID give us the correct name. But that is something which is outside the domain of this particular video right now. But if you guys want, I can do that as well to show you. And please comment how do you like my video, and if you feel and if you want to me to do some videos on any other tutorials, please do let me know. With this, stay safe, stay indoor. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum.